I think this is the piece that I'm most proud of that I've ever built. I love this thing so much, and it's for good cause. So this is what I call the Kumiko table, and it all started with these myrtle burl slabs that I got from Oregon, I don't know, a couple years ago. And I just had them sitting around my shop, knowing that one day I would have like the right idea of what to do with them. And I finally was at the point where I was like, I'm gonna build it. And I knew that I didn't want to do just a traditional epoxy river table. I wanted to kind of level that up. I've known about Kumiko for a while. Kumiko is this process, Japanese woodworking process of putting together small strips of wood to create these basically tessellation patterns that often represent something found in nature. Like this is the Asanoha pattern, and it's meant to represent the hemp plant because they grow fast and strong. And so it was something that the Japanese would stitch into the kimonos of children because, you know, grow fast, grow strong. So there's some of that behind it. And I've always been someone who really likes repeating patterns. It's for the Katz-Moses Woodworkers with Disabilities Fund. And that is a charity that aims to take people with like physical or mental disabilities and give them the tools and the things necessary that they can overcome those disabilities and do something with their hands. I think it's just a really, really neat charity, a really worthy cause, probably something that not a lot of people think about, but something that's very near and dear to me. And so when Jonathan Katz-Moses reached out to be a part of it, I jumped at the opportunity, and I thought, what better to do than take this really cool table idea that I've had and do it for charity.